Today we are leaving Akureyri and we are headed to one of Iceland's largest waterfalls, in a canyon called Vatnajökull. In Icelandic folklore, it is said this canyon was created by the hoofprint of Odin's 8-legged horse Sleipnir. After, we will head to Húsavík for the night. What was your reaction seeing Delifos?
It's beautiful. The mist is the most beautiful thing.
Very powerful. It's like
It's
raw
super
nature
powerful.
because it's a lot of water falling down. Glad you girls liked it.
Yeah, we love it.
This is Bonsjörn, a peaceful pond surrounded by birch trees. Another myth from Icelandic folklore claims that Ásbryggi is the capital city and true home to Iceland's hidden people, the Huldufolk and elves. Oh my god, look at this thing. This is shot on iPhone. It's going off here in Húsavík right now. It's beautiful. Oh my god, it's going off. Dancing in the sky. The Green Fairy came alive and came through today in Húsavík. Oh wow. Look at this. She's on fire. She is dancing in the sky.
No.
This is amazing. Wow. Last night we had one of the best Aurora Borealis displays of the trip so far. It was incredible. Today we are heading to Myvatn, a geothermally active region, where we will check out the volcanic landscape, and later in the evening we are going to the nature baths. We're actually going to go to Grotja, which is the cave where Jon Snow and the girl go in and, you know, have their hot steamy scene in Game of Thrones. We're gonna be all the way up here. Alright, so we made it to the top, and this is how the volcano looks from the top. It's pretty incredible. That's the cinder cone of this volcano, and it's got like a little mountain in the middle, which was probably another cone after the initial eruption. Alright, we're here in the top of the mountain. I'm waiting for the girls because they're going around the volcano crater, and it just started snowing. Just went out. The sun came out for like what? For like 5 minutes. It's kind of snowing and it's horizontally falling. All right, look at Margarita going out there, braving the elements. And here we're gonna go to the other geothermal place around here. Hopefully the weather is a little better in here. So we're in Myvatn nature baths, and it's snowing, and we're gonna go to a geothermal bath. Excited? Let's go! It's snowing. It is snowing again.
This is beautiful, and it feels amazing.
Margarita, be Margarita.
No, bro. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Okay.